Scout, and today we're making one of my all-time favorite recipes, Dutch oven bread. This recipe is from jessicainthekitchen.com, and I think you guys are going to love it. It comes together with just a few ingredients, it's really simple to make, and it smells so good when it comes out of the oven. So stick around. Start with 4 3/4 cup flour, and to that add 2 teaspoons sea salt, 2 teaspoons sugar, and 2 1/4 teaspoon instant yeast, or just a single packet if that's the kind you have. Whisk your dry ingredients together, make a little well in the center, and add 2 cups warm water, about 120 degrees, and a tablespoon olive oil. Work the dough just until it all comes together. Go ahead and get that arm workout in while you're at it. And then add a little olive oil to the bowl so the dough doesn't stick, and cover it with a clean towel. Let it rise for about 2 hours. When the rise time is almost done, set your oven to preheat to 450. Go ahead and put your Dutch oven in with the lid on and let it preheat along with the oven. Put your dough on a lightly floured surface and fold it 6 or 8 times. Shape it into a nice round ball, and when your oven reaches 450, carefully remove the Dutch oven and grease it with a bit of coconut oil and put the dough inside. Put the lid on and into the oven it goes for 45 minutes, and then another 10 minutes or so without the lid. Let it cool, and this is what you'll have. Gorgeous. Try not to eat it all in one setting. I mean, that rarely works for me, but it's worth a try. Guys, it really is just that simple. You'll have some warm, fresh out of the oven bread, smear it with some softened butter, and you've really got something great. I hope you guys make this recipe and love it as much as we do at my house. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Alright guys, it's as simple as that. What? You can make an artisan style loaf in just, what should I say? Spread some softened but warm, fresh out of the oven bread. Spread with some warm.
There's gonna be way too much butter on that.
I keep scraping it off too. Done, here you go. And that's it.